pumupungos.
Si Ross lang kasi yung bantay ni Japet pero hindi niya na-seal. Scotty goes glass. And just like that, tabla na ang ating labanan sa 11. Barangay Ginebra. Both right, Fajardo and Marcio. Long ball on the way. Yung dalawang off the bench to, tag-isang tres ang binigay dito.
Quarter clock rather. He's got to shoot it.
Bishop's got to go. Bishop not aware.
He doesn't.
Oh! Realized it just in the nick of time, though. 21-18. Trollano, no. Parang ganito nagsimula yung laro. Maraming mintis. Pringle changes it. Labangang Ginebra, 27-26.
The percentages of the Bearmen not too good after a good start there.
Scotty waiting for that pick. Christian will provide. Scotty on the move, goes the other way. Thompson, clear reverse!
Step carry kanina.
Yun, yung ikot na ganun. Sabay pinalikan din yung big man. Si AD yung ginanong step.
Exactly.
Si Junmar ang pipihitan ni Thompson dito sa Game 3.